Hello and welcome viewers to the first episode of Fast Forward Presents Auto Head. अब इन episodes में we will be talking about everything related to new cars, new bikes and everything going on in our Indian automotive industry, and 2025 is almost here and the year is all set to begin with a big bang क्योंकि भारत मोबिलिटी एक्सपो अब आ रहा है फॉर द सेकंड टाइम इन न्यू दिल्ली. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स दिस बीइंग द सेकंड ईयर ऑफ भारत मोबिलिटी एक्सपो, बड़े से बड़े कार ब्रांड्स आर गोइंग टू बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द एक्सपो दिस टाइम अराउंड, बी इट टाटा मोटर्स, एमजी मोटर्स, BMW and even Mercedes-Benz India, and all of them have a lot of exciting things planned for us. मगर इस वीडियो में I will be talking about the 5 biggest and most influential launches that are expected to happen in the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025. और सबसे बड़ा लॉन्च जो एक्सपेक्टेड है टू हैपन एट द एक्सपो इन न्यू दिल्ली हैज टू बी द MG Motors Cyberster. Now the Cyberster is an electric roadster and is unlike anything that we have seen before in the country. जहां पर इसकी टेक्नोलॉजी और रेंज तो काफी इंप्रेसिव है ही, that is not all because it also gets scissor doors and a plethora of very high-tech features. But मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड कि MG इस गाड़ी को इंडिया में लॉन्च तो करेगा ही, बट एट एन एक्सपेक्टेड प्राइस ऑफ बिटवीन ₹60 to 65 लाख. Now that is something that I am really excited to see because at that price point ये गाड़ी most definitely पूरे इंडियन मार्केट में धमाल मचा देगी. बट धमाल के मामले में MG अकेला ब्रांड नहीं है because the second biggest launch in the Bharat Mobility Expo this time around will be the Hyundai Creta electric SUV. Yes, that's right. Creta का electric version is expected to be unveiled for the Indian public at the expo. अब आप और मैं Creta के बारे में तो जानते ही हैं that it is the undisputed king of the mid-sized SUV segment currently, and just imagine if an electric Creta comes into the market, then it will definitely pose a serious threat to the current crop of affordable yet sensible SUV-shaped electric cars that are selling in India. अब ये Hyundai का पहला स्टेंट नहीं है इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल मार्केट में for India because if you remember, Kona electric SUV was also in the market for quite some time, and as a product, it had a lot of pros going for it. And assuming that all those good fundamentals of the Kona with the Creta's currently successful platform, I am pretty sure that the product will definitely be a hit. Expected pricing में the Creta Electric is expected to arrive around the ₹20 lakh mark, and इतना ही नहीं, the expected range is also going to be around 400 kilometers. अब तक तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे that will put it directly against current electric vehicles that are on offer in the Indian market, including the newly launched Mahindra Born Electric 6e, the XUV 9e, the Tata Curve EV and so many others. तीसरे नंबर पे of course we have the Renault Duster. अब Duster का नया मॉडल इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स में ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो चुका है, so we have a pretty good idea of what is going to be coming to India as well. And from what we know, the SUV seems to be a pretty impressive product. Now, we all remember that the Renault Duster was one of the best-selling cars from the brand up till a few years back when the production got stopped for the first generation of the car. तब से Renault का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अभी तक इंडियन मार्केट में आग नहीं लगा पाया है, but there are very high hopes for the new Duster and I hope that it really gets to do what the earlier generation did for the brand in the Indian market. चौथे नंबर पे again there is a major launch and from none other than Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and that will be its first ever electric SUV which is expected to be named e-Vitara. अब e-Vitara के फीचर्स, प्राइस और रेंज वगैरह क्या होगा इसका हमें काफी अच्छा आइडिया है because recently Toyota also unveiled its electric urban cruiser globally, and both these cars are expected to be based on the same platform and have the same technical specs. From the details that we know and are pretty sure are going to continue for India as well, we can expect the e-Vitara or Maruti's first electric SUV to offer two different battery packs between 49 kWh and 61 kWh. इतना ही नहीं, Maruti Suzuki is also expected to offer the new SUV in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options. Now the 61 kWh battery pack will most likely be paired to the all-wheel drive system and offer up to 189 bhp and 300 Newton meters of torque output. Expected price for Maruti Suzuki's first ever electric vehicle is going to be around the ₹23 lakh mark, which again pits it against current popular EV models on sale in India and even very latest models like the Mahindra electric SUVs. Between the Hyundai Creta Electric and Maruti Suzuki's new electric vehicle, काफी ज्यादा आग और एक्शन होने वाला है इन द अफोर्डेबल ईवी सेगमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, क्योंकि यहां पर करेंटली एक ही बादशाह है, विच इज टाटा मोटर्स, दैट कमांड्स ओवर 80% of the electric vehicle market of the country. अब ये तो टाइम ही बताएगा कि these new products from these trusted brands, popular brands, will they be able to take over much more market share, eat up into Tata Motors' success or not, and I am going to reserve my opinions for now. Last but not the least, Skoda India is also expected to offer the latest version, the latest generation of its luxury SUV, the Kodiaq. From what we know, the new SUV will feature a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. It will also have a 4x4 setup, and power outputs are expected to be around the 190 horsepower and 320 Newton meters of torque. और उसके बाद खैर the 7-speed double clutch transmission तो है ही. In terms of pricing, I would reserve my opinions on that right now because there are no reports of the expected price for the new Kodiaq, but from what we know, so I would expect that the customers of the new Kodiaq would have to pay a premium. So those were the 5 biggest launches expected to happen in the upcoming Bharat Mobility Expo in New Delhi. The expo is slated to happen between January 17th to January 22nd. Let me know what you think about the expo and these upcoming launches in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Fast Forward channel for more such content.